We're going to talk about the differences between a Swedish family and an Italian family.
What is the typical family in Sweden?
The nuclear family is the most common family with a mom, dad, and maybe 2 or 3 children.
And in Italy?
The typical family in Italy is the nuclear family and also extended family. The second one is composed by generally grandfather, grandmother, cousins or uncle. They live in the same country, and but there are also families that don't live together, and so they can see back every day, but also in the Christmas or summer holidays.
What kind of right does homosexual couple have in Sweden?
In Sweden it's not that common with homosexual couples, but it's kind of accepted and you're allowed to get married and to adopt children.
And in Italy?
In Italy, homosexual couples don't have rights. In fact, they get married and they can't adopt children.
How big influence does the parents have in Sweden?
In Sweden, our parents can control the time we arrive home. In weekdays, we are supposed to be home earlier, and in Wednesday we can stay up later if we want. And our parents' influence to alcohol is we are not allowed to drink at all until we turn 18. And we are allowed to have a boy and girlfriend to sleep over.
And in Italy?
In Italy, our parents give us more freedom. We can come back later home if we are in disco or pubs, and we can also buy and drink some alcoholic cocktail, but not a lot. And we usually drink with our friends. Sometimes we can also sleep with our boyfriends, also if they are our parents.
Do teenagers without household chores at home in Sweden?
Yes, in Sweden both girls and boys help with household chores like cooking or cleaning.
And in Italy?
In Italy boys don't help parents in the house and only the girls help them.
What age do you normally move out of the house in Sweden?
Normally we move out when we are 18 to 20 years old. Then we move to a small apartment which is not expensive.
And in Italy?
In Italy, the boys move out 30-35 years old because it's difficult to find a job and because the life is a lot expensive, very expensive.
What are the most important factors in how to make a family in Sweden and in Italy?
According to me, respect, communication,
Collaboration.
And of course, love.